Session 13 is DNS to DB. Terraform DNS to DB demo on AWS with EC2. First, we'll create a RDS database using Terraform config, RDS DB security group, DB variable with sensitive argument for DB password, create RDS DB module, create RDS DB output. Step 1 of 2 is create EC2 instance with Terraform configuration. Create EC2 instance module for the new app 3. Create template file. The TMPL file for the user data, use Terraform template file function for the same. Create output for EC2 instance and app port 8080 inbound rule added to private security group, that is HTTP 8080 TCP. Create application load balancer configuration. Create ALB target group for app 3 with port number 8080. Enable stickiness of app 3 UMS target group and the listener /star. Listener rule, app 1 priority 1, app 2 priority 2, and context root is priority 3. So what we expect is DNS to DB, the URL the agentic ai.io/app1. This should hit the route 53 internet gateway, and as we type app1, this should take me, the green color should take me to this instance, A1 instance. The blue color DNS to DB, this should take me, app2 should take me to this A2 instance, and this should take me to the /star should take me to A3 instance. And this is what we expect, and both of them, all these instances will be connected to the private subnet RDS DB. So this is how the application is going to be. This is how the routing is going to be: app1, app2, and /star. So this is what we are going to learn. User management application, UMS, that is the user management application which needs database, and private instance security group, which is an UMS app listener port, RDS database security group, define output. These are the files we are going to have. What we are going to learn, create app 3 target group and listener rules, create DNS to DB route 53 record, create DB database variable, database module, and the output, create user data. These are the files that will be used, jump install.sh, create user data verbation host to install MySQL client during creation of EC2 instance using user data. RDS DB auto TF-vars, create define database variables, and secret will have the password that will be used. This is what we have. So let's start and let's understand the Terraform manifest in this file. Local output file. This is the output file. Let's talk about the private key. This is our private key. App1 install, app2 install, and this is UMS install. That is the script that will install MySQL. This will install Java 11 SDK. This will install clean metadata plus install Java 11 SDK and the directory where it will be configured. The database connection details, the database name, port, database name, username, and then password. That is MyDB password 11. This is going to be our app 3 UMS install template. Version 1.5 is what we are using. Generic variables, we have already understood local variables, VPC variables. What is different here? Let's talk about those. RDS. This is RDS specific details. Terraform AWS RDS database variables. The database name, the variable declaration actually. And this is the Terraform for the RDS DB. So variable username will be coming from DB underscore username. Password will be coming from DB underscore password. And again, key value pair, what we need: subnet, engine, maintenance window, parameters. Then this is RDS DB output that will be displayed for us. The instance shape, instance size, that is a type is type 3 micro. Then jump box installation, this will be the package installation on jump box. MariaDB libraries, then enable MariaDB, clean metadata, install MariaDB, and check that telnet, verify the connectivity. These are the database name, instance identifier, and the database username. Secrets is the password that will be used. So let me change the password to the new password that will be used for this. TF-VARs, it will be created in region 1, US East 1, and the other variables, the VS variables. So let's investigate this and let's start this DNS to DB. Terraform init. This is initialization. Terraform apply, and the additional file is required. Where file is secrets.tfvars, because my password is declared in this file. This is how you can pass the additional secret file or additional variable files. Yes. So this will create instances, install applications, install database, launch the application. So 3 URL we expect. At the end of it, we expect 3 URLs. So what we expected, app 1, app 2, app 3, 3 and plus base and host. So 4 instances will be launched. Database will be launched. Listener and routing rules will be configured. Target group app 1, app 2, app 3, and they should be healthy. So these are 4 output we are expecting. Now connecting to the DB instance, connect to jump host to test if the default DB and tables are created. You can connect to the jump host, connect to via jump host to the DB to verify that these tables are existed. So we have to go to the jump host. Now from the application wise, we will expect these URLs to be working. And therefore these entries I will expect in zone file, route 53, DNS to DB, agentic AE, app 1 and app 2, and this is my database. Now we can check. Yeah, this is still going on. Let's see on AWS. Yes, you can see DNS to DB is coming now. DNS to DB, app 1 and app 2. This is the first one. Yeah, first one is ready. DNS to DB, app 1 is already running, and now similarly let's try the app 2 also. I hope that's also running. Yeah, app 2 is also up. So what is missing is only now the DNS to DB. Like the path was login. That was the path. Yeah, service temporarily available, because this is what is going on right now. No, it is still working. Bad gateway, some issues. So login is there, bad gateway means something wrongly configured. Let's destroy. Terraform, destroy. Next time. That's all for the day. Thank you very much.